as the
Personally,
this bond chair? Personally and collectively.
dalawa lang yan eh. Dalawa lang yan. Na very simplistic way. Dapat hindi maulit. Unang-una, dapat hindi yan talaga maulit. Pangalawa, kailangan ng coordination. That's the learned lesson. Dalawa lang. Hindi maulit dapat. Kasi kahit na ganong karami ang mamatay, either on the side of our people, or on the government, wala man tayo pupuntahan, kundi kailangan hanapin natin ang kapayapaan with justice, di ba? Walang option. Pero sana po hindi na maulit yung nangyari noon. Yung tinatawag natin na legitimate grievances. Kaya nga po, importante yung transitional justice. Kasi yung transitional justice, yan ang tinatawag natin na legitimate grievances. Yun nangyari noon. Yung pagkawala ng lupa namin. Yung series of massacres, series of violations of human rights, yung distortion of history. Dapat makorekta po natin yan, di ba? So yun po, in short, very simple ang akin. Dapat hindi na maulit yun. Dahil kahit anong garami mamatay, wala pa rin option. Kundi, kapayapaan.